Okay, so I'm starting with a wall that's 40 feet long, 30 feet wide, okay, again, and it's a rectangular wall section. And now I'm going to draw another, another wall from the center of it, okay, and architectural again, make sure that it's architectural wall, and it's going to go like about 15 feet long, and then it's going to go all the way to the corner. And I'm going to try this, maybe the second wall option here, okay, and go to the corner again, like that. Now we see the escape key. Now I'm going to erase one of the walls, all right, and I will go with, again, wall command, okay, for the other end, architectural wall. I'm going to find the midpoint. Triangle indicates the midpoint. I will go like 11, 15 feet again, feet mark. Okay. Now, when something doesn't go right, just simply erase it and do it over. Okay. We're looking for the center point. We're looking for 15 feet long wall. And then I'm connecting this wall to the corners. I'm drawing another wall from another corner. Okay. And escape. And escape. Select one of the walls that you don't need. Select the other walls you don't need. And now you have the exterior walls of the building. Okay. So this is pretty much the way we start. Okay, the exterior walls of the building. It's right now it's incomplete, but one of the things I like you to do, just select each wall and make sure that the arrows and when you click on the wall are looking outside. And why is it important? Because if it is not, you can click on the arrows, okay, and then they're going to be connected to outside. All right. These walls are supposed to be 2 feet high, 20 feet high, two floor walls, but we don't know yet. So this is what our intentions are. So you want to go to 3D view and take a look at the building. And if you see the building, close in and look at the building. Yes, brick side is on the outside and non-brick side is in the inside. Okay, this is coming out correctly. All right. Okay. And so what would you like to do at that point is we're going to create some of the features of the building, such as where do you enter into the building? This left side inside the building, I expect left end of the building to be kitchen and the family room, rec room will be on the right hand side, and maybe a small bedroom or guest room on at the corner, bathroom maybe, powder room, and dining room in the middle, perhaps between the kitchen and the family room. Okay, so you have to have this design in your mind or on the paper somewhere. Okay, and with that in mind, you go to wall command again and follow your design. Okay, and we're trying to create about 12 feet long wall in one direction, okay? And then you want to go approximately half of the building with that extension of the wall, okay? So, and then we can just simply turn the corners like that and escape key. What do we do? How do we modify the existing wall? We can drag it a little bit to the left. Okay, the existing wall can be adjusted this way. Okay, and now we need floor, we need other walls. Okay, so I'm going to go with the wall command again and add some of the walls here. And if there are any occasional errors here and there, you know, I expect you to correct that. That happens. Nobody's perfect, and sometimes errors are going to come out. Okay. This is going to be the foyer of the building, and um, we may have other walls too, the powder room, the bedroom, bathroom walls, and so we're gonna choose wall command and modify interior walls. Interior walls are not non-load bearing walls, and you may want to choose interior walls. Okay. All right. Like that. And of course, the floor is important. Just finishing the walls is not enough. And but I just want to continue one more thing. We are we like the corners, 90-degree corners of the buildings, okay, and they work better for us. And also we need some doors and entrances, windows too. But we're going to add all of these later. So I'm going to go with the floor command, okay? So if you go to architecture again, and you go select the floor command, and the architectural floor is right over here on the top, click on it. And sometimes you simply go ahead and choose the walls to describe your floors. So I'm choosing exterior walls to describe the floor. Okay. And occasionally I need to draw a line from wall to wall to describe the floor. So now the floor is created. Um, it should be close power line, and it looks like close power line to me in red. Okay, so I'm going to go with the click OK button and see how it goes. Apparently, this particular floor is not close power line, so what I'm going to do, I want to add a line. Okay. And computer will let you know if there is an imperfection. Now the floor is created automatically. Doors and windows are supposed to be added, okay, in particular way. But to add a window or door, you have to have a wall first, obviously. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend some of my doors, the walls, and so that I can add a door to it, okay? And there's a door command. Then when you move your cursor, and you're looking for a 3 feet wide exterior door. So one of the things I suggest you do when you're adding walls and doors and windows, um, I suggest you to change your viewpoint. And the viewpoint, when you change your viewpoint, computer gives you a chance to locate. Okay, your doors and windows. Okay. And that is going to be like that. Okay. And I'm going to change the angle. That angle is very important. Okay. Okay. One of the things is commonly used in architecture is this area, concrete area at the entrance of the building, and that's the stoop. That's another kind of floor. Okay, so I'm suggesting you go ahead and do the concrete area also as well. So if you go to architecture again, and if you go to floor commands and floor architectural floor, computer is expecting you to draw lines. Okay, and okay, when you have a closed loop, hit escape key, and then click check mark. Okay, and the type of the floor is like 12-inch generic concrete wall floor. Now inside the building, you have a different kind of floor you're expected to have. And that floor perhaps has to be a finished floor. You might as well. So one of the places, okay, you can check what kind of floors there are is the families. So I'm suggesting you go, okay, and check out the families and see what's available for the quality of the material. And usually you prefer hardwood or some kind of a ceramic floor, perhaps, or granite, or so you want to check it out and where the families are. So let's do it together and let's find out, okay? There's a insert command, load family, and under insert load family, we're looking for residential and English Imperial, and we're looking for floors. Judging from the last year's Revit, we used to have floors available right away, and now this year I don't see them. So I wonder if they will remove it totally or if they are over there. So I'm going to go to architecture and check it out one more time, what's available. And if I go to the floor, an architectural floor, and see what's available, and they removed the finished floors for some reason from this version entirely. There's only concrete, and the last year we had other options. Okay, so let's not worry about it too much for now. We can deal with that later. So I am suggesting let's create stairs, okay, for the second floor, and let's have the stairs like about 3 feet wide and going to 14 feet, 14 steps up high, okay? So let's go to architecture. Let's cancel the edit mode. We are in the edit mode right now. Okay. And this actually, it doesn't seem to be perfect. So you want to edit the boundary. Okay, and perhaps change the angle a little bit. Okay, now it's 45 degrees. So, okay, cool. And okay. And then okay. All right, so let's go to architecture. All right, and we're looking for stairs, so click on stairs. All right, and we want a straightforward stairs, just a simple stairs that extending. Eighteen risers is way too many. I think so. We all need 14 risers, but as I am dragging stairs, it shows me the number of the risers. So 15 risers, 14 risers should be enough. Okay. And click. Okay. Escape, and I'm going to move this stairs a little bit outside. Okay. And it needs to be moved forward. Okay. All right. I left this room as a powder room. All right. And this is going to be, stairs are going to be leading the second floor. Okay. And on top of here in this area, the kitchen dining room area, there is going to be a bedroom. Okay. So I'm going to take a break now. Before we move on to the next level, I'm going to save this as an activity. I want you to finish up to this point and then continue afterwards on the second floor. Thank you.